Which branch of psychology helps teachers turn a noisy classroom into a learning lab without adding a single worksheet? Stick around, because the answer might just change how you study. In this video, you'll learn what educational psychology is, how cognitive and behavioral insights shape teaching, and 5 quick ways those findings can boost your own learning. Educational psychology studies how humans learn across ages and settings, then turns those findings into strategies teachers can use from preschool to professional training. First, the cognitive perspective zooms inside the mind. How we encode, store, and retrieve information. Why spaced repetition outranks cramming, and how metacognitive checkpoints help you monitor understanding. Imagine studying vocabulary. Instead of rereading notes, you test yourself after 10 minutes, a day, and a week. Each retrieval restamps the memory, flattening the forgetting curve dramatically. Motivation matters too. Expectancy-value theory says we engage when we believe we can succeed and when the task feels worthwhile. From encoding and retrieval to metacognition and motivation, you've got the toolkit. Now see what you've locked in. Want to check your progress? Tap the link for a quick practice test and a concise study guide tailored to this lesson. Quiz yourself, skim the highlights, and jump back in. Snapshot in hand, let's shift from what happens inside the mind to what shows up in behavior. The behavioral perspective focuses on what we can see. When praise, badges, or gentle corrections follow an action, they reinforce or extinguish that behavior. Teachers often use variable ratio praise, unpredictable shoutouts that keep effort high, much like gamers chasing points. But over-rewarding with candy can backfire, so balance is key. Jean Piaget and modern scans agree. The prefrontal cortex isn't ready for heavy abstraction until the mid-teens. Third graders build concrete models before tackling algebra to match brain readiness. However, neither perspective works alone. Cognitive techniques feed the mind, while behavioral tools set the stage. Ignoring either can stall learning, so great teachers weave both every day. In practice, a science class might start with think, pair, share for active recall, then reward the table with points for showing teamwork. The combo sparks deep processing and cooperative norms, boosting scores and morale. Finally, students learn from each other. Social cognitive research shows that watching a peer model a solution builds confidence and supplies a concrete roadmap to success. To recap, first, educational psychology shows how we learn. Next, cognitive tools like spaced retrieval strengthen memory. Third, behavioral nudges guide action. And lastly, age-appropriate, socially rich design ties it all together. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.